Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp in the comments down below. Watch out for the fake Instagram page. Also, feel free to get in VIP to be alerted when we get in and out of plays. We called out some bangers over there, guys. Perfect entry and exit strategy with this penny stock that I called out on today. We got in at the ground floor, 72 cents, 73 cents, and told, we sold right at the 90s. Told you guys to sell. As soon as we sold off, guess what happened? It went all the way back down to 70. So it was a perfect entry and exit type of play. Also, Carvana is hot. We making bread off of that as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at AMC though. AMC is showing very, very weird activity, guys. It ain't us. It ain't me. We already know what's going on. We already know, guys. That's why I tell you guys, always put in what you can afford to lose or what you can go without for an extended period of time, because you never know how long that play is going to actually take to do what they have to do. And you got all your funds and all your money tied up in that, and there's so many other moves that's been happening around the market that you can't participate in because you got all your funds in one basket. So let's go ahead and take a look at it though, guys. They trying to put a lot of fear out there. You got it already been reported that short sellers have used FTX to manipulate AMC stock. So with all that being going on, with the crypto billionaires being down mysteriously, it's a lot of stuff that's really happening behind closed doors, guys. And this stuff, some of it gonna start to rise to the surface a little bit, because what's done in the dark always comes to the light. So let's go ahead and take a further look at what's going on. AMC is also having lending troubles, guys. So if we take a further look at this, the former pandemic darling investors, AMC, lost over 10% on Wednesday trading. The major reason, unhappy lenders are concerned about AMC's cash burn rate. So AMC has been burning through cash, but they are fine. They'll make it seem as they doing very, very bad. But even without even going too much further into this, AMC have over $1 billion in cash, guys. They were saved by the retail investors, help them get all that capital, and then they was able to come up with a unique strategy and have the ape preferred units, which they used as a way to raise capital, to raise more cash. And they already sold off 37 million of those shares, and they're going to be able to sell off more. They could sell up to $1 billion worth of that as well. So certainly AMC has seen some recovery in the recent days. The movie industry is bringing out blockbuster titles once more and has put some new life on the theater chains like AMC. However, the recovery isn't doing as well as some would like. Lenders have reportedly begun getting organized and are working directly with restructuring advisors. AMC has been downward slide for much of the last year and a half. The company lost over 77% of its value this year alone. Between now and the company's all-time high in June 2021, when it hit that 77, the company has lost 90% of its value. So if we take a further look, guys, they got an average price target for AMC at $3.53, guys. That implies a 41.7% downside from where it currently sit at. I don't agree with that price target at all. They actually need to put a zero behind it, and it'll be more, believable. But I do believe AMC, with all the money they got, with all the different strategies they doing, AMC will be fine. With the community that's ride or die, like everything that already took place for the community, that everybody know what's going on with it. Everybody know they continue to manipulate it. Everybody know it's naked shorts. Everybody know the shorts have been covered. Everybody know all this crazy information. Everybody know they took out the buy button for GameStop. Everybody already know all this stuff, and they still holding on to these shares. So it's like it ain't nothing else that they could possibly do to make these apes, that they call them, retail investors, run away from this stock. So with that being said, I don't see that $3 price target, sticking, even if it was to come, because how manipulated it is. It ain't no telling. We done seen the worst of the worst, man. Carvana done fell from $300 to $3. Like, and it could have kept going down to $1. So what I'm saying is it ain't going to stick. The lower they keep going, the lower and lower, the lower this market keep going, I'm buying it and buying it and buying it. Even if you gotta sell some meds, sell some junk, get rid of some junk, I'm putting bands. You got to put them bands in there. Not y'all, but I'm talking for myself. And yeah, I'm slanging. I'm gun slanging. Cause it's Got to. This is the time. When the market go crazy in the next months, 2 months or so, then all you gonna have the attitude, oh, let me put more in, let me do this, let me do that, let me do that. Wrong time. What you want to do is be very, very greedy now. Are everybody panicking, scared? Greedy, 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 greedy. That's how I'm doing with Carvana as well. I told you guys, even with all the bad stuff that's going on, I love to hear bad news about a company nowadays because usually it's about to spike up. So you already know what to do, guys. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hay Show. Get in VIP. I also want to, before I let you guys go, I also want you guys to pay attention to how the price action on AMC, GME, and Express was today. Express shot up over 60%, held up his gains up over, end of the day up over 40%, I believe. Crazy, crazy day, right, for Express. GME shot up. Crazy, crazy day for GME. And guess what? GME just reported worse than expected earnings. Bad earnings. And look what it's doing. AMC, on the other hand, reporting good news, good catalyst. Okay catalyst at that. And it's shot up, but it went right back down, stagnant. It did the worst out of the three. And it actually did, not good at all compared to those two. But as we know, guys, if those two do good or the market do good, it has no choice but to go behind it. So you already know what to do, guys. I love you. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hay Show. Get in VIP, get your free stocks. Hit me up for a phone call. Whatever you got to do. I love you, and we